What is it?
A train table.
A train table? Santa brought you a train table?
Yes. Look, the other two.
Oh, don't take a picture? Okay. Can you say hi to Grammy? Okay. Okay, baby James. Where's baby James's present?
Right there.
Right there.
Show baby James.
You.
Alright.
What's it?
Something tells me baby James is going to be less than... Hi, Doodle.
Come in.
Hey, Sugar. Merry Christmas. Your first Christmas. Are you excited?
Christmas house?
It's Christmas time. Alright. Say Merry Christmas, Grammy. Merry Christmas, Grandpa. Say we miss you.